Good evening, everyone. We've heard many definitions of leadership over the years, but I want to talk about one that often gets overlooked. The best way to lead is to serve. This isn't about being a doormat or putting your needs last. It's a transformative approach that redefines what it means to be in charge. It's the powerful idea that true authority comes not from a title, but from a genuine commitment to the well-being and growth of those you lead. Redefining the role of a leader. For too long, leadership has been seen as a position of power, where a leader stands at the top of a pyramid, giving orders. But a servant leader flips this model on its head. They place themselves at the bottom, supporting and uplifting their team. Their primary focus isn't on their own status or success, but on the needs of their people. They ask, "How can I help you succeed?" rather than, "How can you help me succeed?" This fundamental shift in perspective creates an environment where people feel valued, heard, and empowered. The fruits of servant leadership. When a leader serves, they cultivate a powerful culture based on trust and loyalty. Trust. When you prioritize the needs of your team, you build a deep sense of trust. Your team members know you have their back, and they are more willing to take risks and be vulnerable. This psychological safety is essential for innovation and growth. Empowerment. A servant leader doesn't just give orders, they give their team the tools, resources, and authority to succeed. They remove obstacles and provide mentorship, allowing others to grow and take ownership of their work. This empowerment builds confidence and creates a sense of shared purpose. Growth. By focusing on the development of their people, servant leaders create a ripple effect. They are building future leaders who will, in turn, lead by example. This approach creates a sustainable and resilient organization that is constantly evolving and improving from within. The lasting legacy. In the end, servant leadership is about leaving a legacy that is not measured in personal achievements, but in the success of others. It's about being a positive force in people's lives and helping them reach their full potential. The leader who serves is the one who will be remembered not for their power, but for their kindness, their support, and their unwavering belief in their team. They prove that true leadership isn't about being the most important person in the room, but about making everyone else feel important.